Wow, 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 wow. This is very concerning. It's not looking good at all. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. I'm sorry, guys, but it's over. It is over, all right? Welcome to my channel, as always, guys. And you know what? We don't even need to do an intro. It is over. I'm sorry. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but what I have on my screen is the Wall Street cheat sheet. All right. So basically, this is the psychology of market cycles, right? So basically, when everything's going up, things are rallying, you have the belief, you have the thrill, you got euphoria. That's when prices are pumping, everybody's happy, everybody's thinking they're going to the moon, they think their favorite project is gonna go 100x, 1000x. YouTube views are up, crypto searches are up, Google trends are up. Everybody is interested in crypto. Your coworkers are talking about crypto. Your family is asking you how to get invested in crypto. That is the euphoria phase, right? And then after that, everything that goes up must come down. Things start going down. Guys, in my honest opinion, right now we are in the denial phase, right? People are denying the fact that things are not looking good. I'm sure you've seen some of your favorite YouTubers have made videos about the Bitcoin bottom is in. Guys, things are not looking good. And honestly, we still have room to go down even further. But right now, in my personal opinion, we are in the denial phase. And then as things get worse, it's going to go down to the panic phase, all right? And then after that, it's going to be anger, then disbelief, all right? And then eventually, as always, there's the market cycle. Things will pick back up after a bearish period. We don't know how long it's going to take. Prices will start going back up, all right? So with that being said, guys, check this out. 20% drop in the S&P 500 put stocks in a bear market. Bitcoin and altcoins follow. Recession fears mount as a 20% decline in the S&P 500 places stock in a bear market, increasing the chance that BTC and altcoins will make new lows. And guys, if you didn't know, Bitcoin, the entire crypto space, follows the stock market. Whenever the stock market does bad and it crashes, you'll see that Bitcoin crashes too. All right. So Bitcoin is treated by Wall Street like a tech stock. All right. So basically, the article says whoever coined the phrase sell in May and go away had brilliant insight, and the performance of crypto and stock markets over the past 3 weeks has shown that the expression still rings true. May 20 has seen a pan sell off across all asset classes, leaving traders with few options to escape the carnage as inflation concerns and rising interest rates continue to dominate the headlines, right? And guys, basically the entire article is just talking about how the stock market is getting close to bearish territory. So May 20 brought more pain to the traditional markets as the S&P 500 fell another 1.62%, marking a more than 20% decline from its January 2022 all-time high and further stoking recession fears. If the index manages to close the day down 20% from the all-time high, that would officially put the benchmark index in bear market territory. And guys, not just the S&P 500, but the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones also have been doing bad, right? And Bitcoin, the entire crypto space, as you saw, guys, has been very bloody, right? So right here, this is CoinMarketCap, Terra Luna down 24.76%. And look at all this red, man. All this red, all this red, all this red, all this red. Not looking good at all. Not looking good. And guys, check this out. This is CNBC. As you see on CNBC, they talk about recession a lot. And guys, in my honest opinion, we are already in a recession, right? We are already in a recession. Things are not looking good. Inflation is crazy high, not just in America, but all over. Prices are going up, but people's incomes are not going up. They're not able to afford it. You even have baby formula shortage out here in America where parents cannot find formula for their infants. It's not good. Gas prices are crazy high. And guys, Walmart and Target have both revealed how soaring costs are hitting across their operations as consumers face 40-year high inflation and continued interest rate rises. On an earnings call with analysts Wednesday, Target CEO Brian Cornell said the company was dealing with unusually high costs in the last quarter, while Walmart CEO Douglas McMillan said in his company's latest quarterly report the company was experiencing double-digit inflation in its food prices, guys. Average gas prices are up too, so the companies have been dealing with exceptionally circumstances that have put pressure on their supply chains, with both citing supply chain crunches and renewed global demand for energy, which pushed average gas prices to $4.59 a gallon. In states like California in the United States, gas is going over $6. This is how bad it is. And guys, things, honestly, I don't see how things are going to get any better. So let's look at the chart. This is the S&P 500. We're looking at the weekly charts, and look, red, 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 nothing but red. We had a little mini green rally back the week of March 14th, 2022, but that was short-lived, and then things started going down even more. This looks very similar to back when the pandemic happened, and this was very short-lived. The recessions tend to last for up to 18 months, guys. And honestly, if you look, it looks like the S&P 500 is hanging off a cliff, all right? Let's look at the monthly, all right? Looking at the monthly. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good at all. Wow, 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 wow. This is very concerning. It's not looking good at all. And guys, the S&P 500, the performance of stocks, they impact crypto. Remember when stock market crashed when the pandemic had happened? Bitcoin and the entire crypto space crashed too. And looking at Bitcoin right now, it is hanging off a cliff right here. So if you draw a level of support at around the 29.2 thousand, the next level of support is looking like around the 19 to 20 thousands. It can possibly happen. We're looking at the weekly chart. Bitcoin looks like it's hanging off a cliff too. Check this out. It's not looking good, man. So the reason I made this video is not only to let you guys know, don't believe the hype. Don't believe other crypto YouTubers that are telling you the bottom is in. Nobody knows when the bottom is going to be in, but honestly, we have more room to go down even further. And guys, as you know, no matter how bad it gets, crypto always recovers. The stock market always recovers. There's been previous recessions, but it always recovers, but it takes time. So do not get caught holding the bag. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm not telling you to sell out of all your cryptos, but guys, just be wise, okay? Because we have room to fall even further for things to get even worse. I'm sorry to tell you that. With that being said, I am out.